In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your country on Gmail. First of all, launch open Gmail application on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into the account in which you want to change your country. After you do that, tap on this option, manage your Google account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to manage the information of your Google account. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for personal info. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access your personal info over here. What you have to do is scroll down and find this option for home address and tap on it. You'll be able to see the address that is selected right now. So if you want to change your country, what you have to do is simply update your address such that your country will also be changed. So tap on the field of address. It is the initial address. Now what you have to do is enter the new address of your country. Now after you do that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your address will be saved. Along with the address, your country will also be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change your country. So that is how you change your country on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.